So here is Split the G app. You can go to the website splittheg.app. It's a new viral app on TikTok. Master the perfect Guinness sip by hitting the sweet spot, or the form line perfectly splits the G, the Guinness logo. Challenge your friends and perfect your technique. So yeah, how it works, this is basically an AI app. So you just need to time your sip and take a photo, and then basically start the timer as you begin your sip of the Guinness beer. Take your time. The perfect split is an art. Capture the moment after you sip. Quickly snap a photo of your glass showing where the foam line intersect with the Guinness logo, and then get your score. Our AI analyzes how perfectly you have split the G in the Guinness logo and gives you a precision score. So then you will have a precision score from AI analyzed picture. The closer to the middle, the higher your score. Track your sip time with millisecond precision. Compare with friends to find the perfect balance of speed and accuracy. So that's the idea. Pretty cool. And then yeah, you can just go to leaderboard. Then you can see all time, and then you can see this month. Then you can see the the images, the photos, and then you can see the timing. So for example, right now this is all time leader, and then yeah, you can see that this is this split in here. So you can see for some people, so that's the idea. And then yeah, you can take this week for example. So yeah, kind of that's the app. Here's what you can see. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And there you have it.